Does caffeine influence snoring? Have you ever wondered if that afternoon cup of coffee might be affecting your sleep and even your snoring? Let's break down the connection between caffeine and snoring, especially in the context of sleep wellness. Caffeine is a common stimulant found in coffee, tea, energy drinks, and some sodas. It works by blocking a chemical in the brain that makes you feel sleepy. While this can help you feel more alert during the day, it can also make it harder to fall asleep at night. This is where the potential link to snoring comes into play. Snoring often happens when throat muscles relax during sleep, which can partially block the airway. When you consume caffeine, it can disrupt your sleep cycle. This disruption may lead to lighter sleep and more frequent awakenings. If you are not getting enough deep sleep, you may be more likely to snore. Interestingly, caffeine does not directly cause snoring, but its effects on sleep quality can play a role. If you consume caffeine later in the day, it may lead to increased anxiety or restlessness. This can make it even more difficult to achieve restful sleep, potentially worsening snoring for some individuals. Research indicates that different caffeinated beverages may have varying impacts on sleep. For example, caffeinated soft drinks might affect sleep and breathing patterns more than coffee or tea. However, there is no strong evidence that caffeine directly causes snoring for most people. From a sleep wellness perspective, managing your caffeine intake is important. Limiting caffeine, especially in the afternoon and evening, can help improve your overall sleep quality. This, in turn, may reduce the risk of sleep disturbances, including snoring. If you snore or have sleep apnea, being mindful of your caffeine habits is key. Poor sleep quality can exacerbate snoring and impact your overall health. To help with sleep wellness, consider avoiding caffeine at least 6 hours before bedtime. Opting for decaffeinated beverages in the evening can also be beneficial. Keeping a sleep diary may help you identify how caffeine affects your sleep quality or snoring patterns. In summary, while caffeine does not directly cause snoring, it can influence sleep quality in ways that may make snoring more noticeable. By managing your caffeine intake, you can take a simple step toward better sleep wellness and possibly reduce snoring.